Tired of reinventing the wheel every time you start a new project? Let's dive into how to create project templates in Basecamp, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your recurring projects. First, navigate to the Projects section in your Basecamp account. This is where all your current and past projects live, as well as where we'll start building our template. Instead of creating a brand new project, click the New Project button. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you will select Start from a Template. This option will take you to the template creation area. Now, give your template a descriptive name. Think about the type of projects this template will be used for. For example, if you're creating a template for onboarding new clients, name it something like New Client Onboarding Template. Next, populate your template with all the essential elements of your recurring project: to-do lists, tasks, documents, and discussion topics. Add to-do lists for each stage of the project. Within each list, add the individual tasks that need to be completed. Be as detailed as possible. Don't forget to upload any essential documents or files that are consistently used in this type of project. This could include contracts, style guides, or training materials. Populate the discussion section with topics that are frequently discussed in these projects. This can help keep conversations organized and on track. In the Who Needs to Know section, you can add default people or teams to the template. This way, when a project is created from the template, the right people are automatically notified. Once you've added all the necessary components, review your template to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Finally, click the Create Project button. Now, whenever you start a new project of this type, simply choose your template, and Basecamp will automatically create the project with all the predefined elements in place. That's it. You've successfully created a project template in Basecamp. Start streamlining your workflows and reclaiming your time today.